So let's start today's video, and for today's drawing again I'm going to do plus sign. So this is the length. As much as big you want, you can draw this line and then plus sign in the middle. So from here I'm going to draw one rectangle shape. Same here this side, and so instead of same I will do this side a little bit less. So now we are going to work on this top one. So I'm going to draw one more middle line here. Let's start from here. This is going to be the top, and this middle line is here a little bit down over here. So it will start from here, and this one can go here almost like this area. So I will start from here, start pulling this one, and I have to go here. So slightly curve, I curve here, and then it goes up here. Same thing I will do here, going up, and slightly I will curve here. From here we have to curve this one, but this triangle, by looking, it doesn't look nice to me, so I will curve here a little bit, and I have to go a little bit down here, and this triangle has to be this much. I will go here and I will try to make it same. So this is the cross point here. We'll draw this side a little bit more. So this is kind of like ellipse shape or triangle, whatever you want to draw, but this side we will do less. And this is the reflection area. Next to that, over here, this is going to be the straight line and sideways. So we can pull this one here. It is a little bit here, so we can see our lines. On the top over here, we can do one line here, and we can start from here. So this much gap I'm leaving, we'll go here, and up here, eyebrow here, same thing, eyebrow will be here, and we can start from here. It will not go touch this one, it will go a little bit this side, and it will curve kind of like a big ellipse shape. So this is a rough idea. We will keep adjusting this one. Now I'm making this one light. So this was our line. Next to this line, I will start from here, and I will leave little bit here, and then I will draw a circle. Same thing, I will start from here, leave little bit gap. So I will make this one small and this one big here. This corner, we will draw one kind of like a circle. We will draw one circle here too. Now from here we will leave little bit gap here. This will come here, and a little bit guide, I'm going to draw this one from here, so we can see this line. Okay, you can see my triangle here. So from here I will start, and I will go in the middle of this one and go like all the way up here. this to be roundish. Coming this side, from here we can draw. You can go a little bit out, that's totally fine. And going to draw this one and erase everything. So this area is going to be really dark, so no worries, just we have to color here later. And from this area I'm going to draw maybe this much big triangle here, or maybe less. Let's adjust this side so we will know. So maybe I have to curve this one too a little bit to make it more soft and cute. So I'm doing up and then slowly going in. Here, let me erase this one so we can see more better. So this will be the hand over here. If in case I'm thinking this is the middle line for me, so nothing will go and touch this one, so we can make this one, if it's going high, make it a little bit low here, and from here I can do triangle here, so you can see here this one, and from here it will be like over here, something tiny here. It's coming this way, and so this is the ear part. I'm not going outside in the middle, I made circle. Now I'm going to color this one. And from here, if you want, you can draw some hair.